Synthetic aperture radar, for a really long time was kind of sequestered in the government intelligence space, especially in defense. And basically it's an active sensing system that we deploy to space where, kind of like a bat with sonar, it sends a pulse down and collects back the scatter. What's cool about that is it doesn't need the sun to operate. It can work day and night, work its way through clouds. You get this persistent view of Earth. We can monitor things like floods in near real time, or we can evaluate fires, how many buildings were impacted, how many people were impacted, who to evacuate. ICEYE is a satellite company, and we have built and deployed the world's largest constellation of radar satellites. Radar data is incredibly more complex than optical data. You're also getting the complex information of light, which we can't even as a human comprehend with our brain. We do have to lean into using AI, machine learning, advanced algorithms layered on top of the data to really make sense of it. So we haven't used the technology to look at buried civilizations. One of the challenges, this is an X-band system, so even though it has radar long waves, it's not long enough to be ground penetrating. But we can do things similar to what a LiDAR system could do, where you could reconstruct the topography. You get this third dimension. What is this terrain doing, and how does this terrain sink or rise, to really bring in more quantifiable information. And the intent is to get enough of the constellation built out so that you have basically less than hourly cadence of anywhere on Earth, some kind of image of what's going on.